A couple years ago, I bought the Shakespeare Ugly Head Weed Eater Trimmer Head, and I wanted to just kind of give you an update on what this looks like after a couple of years use just around the property here. Now this thing, I believe, is designed to be for homeowner use, and that's definitely what it's been used for. I don't think it would hold up long in a commercial setting. I've noticed some pretty good tear out of the plastic where I have hit some rocks. So I thought I'd clean this out and pull it off so that we could get a good look at it here. Now I did purchase this with my own money at Lowe's. So if you're looking to replace the pop feeder that comes on most weed eaters, that's where I got this. I've had this on here so long I've forgotten just how it works, but hopefully I'm able to just twist this off. Oh, wrong way. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay, there we go. So I think it was supposed to have a tool that went with it, but this may just wind it off here. There we go. Okay, now I'm reminded of how this thing works. The nut that holds everything together is in this hole here, and it's definitely not going to come out without a lot of work. So, well, I have noticed that the plastic swivel pieces here that have a metal bar have actually held up surprisingly well. None of them have broken, but what I'm noticing is that as this thing spins in this direction, it will hit things here on the edge of the plastic, and that's starting to break down pretty quick there. Also, this is supposed to accept those metal, not metal blades, but plastic blades, and to get to them you had to push these plastic buttons down, and those fill up with grass within just moments of use, and so you have to clean that out if you're going to use it. Which isn't tragic, because a simple screwdriver here will clean that right out, and then you can use those blades. So for example, I've got a package of them here. There's a metal post here that is supposed to bend backwards, and it is still working. Obviously I normally use the string, so okay. So that would slip back in there. You'd push that button, click it into place. Okay, so that is actually still working really well. So I'm definitely pleased with that. And then so to get that out of there, you'd have to, I guess, bring it back out the side here. Ooh, those things are sharp. Okay, there you go. All right, so that's still doing well. And then to attach the string line, you just fed it through the hole here and here, and you just pull it through, and it would snap in like that. And it was supposed to be a breakaway, so when you hit something, the line would break away and not destroy it. So honestly, after a couple of years of use, this thing probably has at least 2 more years of use around the house. Like I said before, it's not designed to be a commercial use, so it wouldn't last long in that setting, but around my place, I have been really impressed with this little thing. So this might not be the most exciting video for you. I just wanted to say that I am gearing up for the next season of using my weed eater, and thought I would just share my thoughts on this little attachment. It's been good so far, and a little expensive, but worth it for me. I feel like whenever I'm using the traditional pop head kind, I'll pop out line, and then when I go to cut something, I accidentally hit it and pop out more line, and it's just a waste. So with this, I feel like it lasts at least 3 times as long. If you lose 1 or 2 sides and you still have one, it still works just fine. And then you're able to use these quick attach blades that cut through bigger stuff than line will go through. But I pretty much just stick with the line, and like this piece here probably lasts about 10-15 minutes of really hard cutting of decent sized stuff, and it just gets shorter and shorter until you have to change it out. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and as always, write your comments down below, I know that weed eater head attachment for maintenance professionals, yard care individuals, is a very passionate subject. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on this tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.